welcome to this short video. My name is Andrés Nicolás from the Marine Center of Technology located in Murcia, Spain, and we were going to talk about the DigiCirc project. More specifically, we will talk about the Blue Economy Acceleration Program and the open call to this acceleration program. During this video, we will talk about what is this acceleration program, who can apply, how I can apply, and of course, which benefits this acceleration program can provide to those applicants that pass the selection of the open call. Let's start with a brief introduction to the DigiCirc project. The DigiCirc project is an H2020 INNOSOP funded project, and its main goal is to develop digital innovations for the circular economy in 3 strategic sectors: circular cities, bioeconomy, and blue economy. And how we can do that? Well, through acceleration programs. DigiCirc project have prepared an acceleration program for each sector. The acceleration program of the circular cities is almost finished. The bioeconomy acceleration program is going to start in some months, and now we have opened the call to the blue economy acceleration program. And this is going to be the acceleration program that we discuss in this video. Just, I want to show you that the partnership of the project, as you can see, we have clusters, acceleration experts, developers, and a sustainability consultant. So we are a really wide cross-sectoral partnership. Now let's focus on the open call of the Blue Economy Acceleration Program. What's that? What is this acceleration program? Well, we can define it such as an opportunity to accelerate the development of an innovative digital solution by means of an intensive acceleration program. So the idea of this acceleration program is that the applicants that propose an innovative idea can reach a high level of development of this idea thanks to this acceleration program. But who can apply? Well, if you are an European SME, if you are used to apply digital tech in marine sectors, if you are compromised with sustainability, and if you are committed to innovation, this call is for you. What do you obtain if I am selected during the open call? Well, first of all, you will have direct access to investors, one-to-one business coaching and mentoring, and training online and on-site. All these experts will going to help you to develop this concept, this idea that you have proposed during the application to the acceleration program. In addition, you will have also financial support and access to digital platforms such as Circular Economy Data Hub, matchmaking platforms in order to find potential partners, customers, etc., info portals, and also industrial synergies platforms. But how I apply? Well, first of all, what you should do is to form a consortium, which should be at least formed by 2 SMEs of different sectors. That's important. What we talk about different sectors is that let's think that you have an idea for the agriculture sector. Okay, so the consortia cannot be formed by 2 companies that work in the agriculture sector. It could be maybe a company that is working in the agriculture sector, another that is working in the development of technologies or edge technologies, as an example. And well, from the DigiCirc, we highly recommend that at least 1 SME of the consortia should be from a different country. This will be evaluated when your proposal is evaluated by the experts. This will be considered. If you don't know, if you are not sure if you are an SME, in this document, you will have a link here where you can download a guideline to calculate if you are an SME. This document is available. If you want to have access to it, just send us an email and we will provide you the information. In addition, I would like to mention that if you have an idea, you want to participate in this acceleration program, but you don't have any partner, you can use the DigiCirc Matchmaking tool. It's free and it could be a way to find this partner that you require to form this consortium. So let's imagine that we have already our consortium and we want to apply to this open call. Well, what we will have to do is define with our partners an innovation solution for at least one of these sectors based on digital technologies such as this that I put here, but these are the technologies are not limited to these ones, of course. And you have to you should have in mind that the impact that we are expecting for your innovation ideas is, first of all, an environmental impact, secondly, an economical impact, and third, a societal impact. The order of relevance is this one that I put here. First, the most relevant will be environmental, the second, more important, will be the economic, and the last one, societal. Well, now let's consider that we have our consortia and we have our idea or concept that we want to develop quickly in this acceleration program. Now what we should do is to apply to this open call, of course. How you should do that? Well, first of all, you should download the documentation kit that is available in the DigiCirc website. Yes, download it and fill in the 3 documents that I put in red here, the Annex 1, 3, and 4. The Annex 1 could be the most challenging for the applicants because it's going to be the text where you are going to describe your solution. But don't worry, it's just an 8-page document. It should not be that extent. It should be clear and concise. So just don't be scared about this documentation because it's not going to be as difficult as this could be in the first look. So once that you have filled these 3 documents, you just have to go to the F6S platform, that is one of our partners, and upload the information and just type the requested information that the application is going to request you. About timeline, what you should know is that the open call deadline is the 3rd of August, but now we have an issue and maybe we will try to extend this open call until the beginning of September. Just consider that, but anyway, try to prepare your proposal to the 3rd of August, just in case. Regarding to the evaluation process, I don't want to extend myself in this, but what you should know is that the evaluation process is not going to be done by the DigiCirc partners. It's going to be made by external experts that is going to evaluate your proposal. And this expert will decide which application forms are the more interesting for the acceleration program. Finally, let's talk about the acceleration program. So what we can expect about this acceleration program? First of all, I would like to mention that only 15 consortia will access to this acceleration program. What you also should know is that the acceleration program is made of 3 parts or phases. During the first phase, each consortia will receive 5,000 euros, and they will have access to business coaches, thematic mentors, training online, training on site here in Spain. The results of this first phase, what we expect from the DigiCirc team, what we expect about this first phase is that every consortia has prepared a business plan and a validated conceptual solution. Once this phase is finished, the 15 consortia will move to the second phase. During the second phase, each consortia will receive 15,000 euros. They also will have access to this training online, to business coaches and mentors, and they will also have access, let's say, we will also be invited to this training on site and do this to this demo day that I put here. The respective results of this second phase are the go-to-market strategy, a go-to-market strategy for this solution that you are preparing, you are developing during this acceleration program, and a validated prototype in a simulation environment. In the end of this phase, we will have what we call the demo day. In this demo day, each consortia should present their achievements to a team of experts. After this presentation, 5 of the 15 consortia will be selected. Selected for what? Well, selected to move to the third phase of the acceleration program. In this third phase, each consortia will have access to 100,000 euros for the prototype development and validation in a real environment. The results of this third phase is to have this validated prototype, 1 partner, and 1 customer. And that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Here you have our contact, or the contact of the emails of the CTN team. So if you have any doubts, if you have you require more information for this open call and acceleration program, we are here for you to help. So thank you very much again, and I expect to see you in this interesting acceleration program. Bye bye.